Yeah, I'd probably describe it as a privilege, because I'm a freshman, of course. So, I mean, the opportunity to be able to travel and let alone play, it's a privilege, especially against the hometown team. Everybody in Lexington worships the Wildcats, so it's kind of cool to come back, come play against the team that everybody loves, the team that I pretty much got to know most of my life. I'm excited. I'm also a little nervous, there's always that pregame nerves, but I have a lot of fans and family from just high school and growing up and whatnot that are going to be there at the game because everybody's part of the Big Blue Nation. They all love it. So they're excited to come watch me play, and I just want to be able to play the best of my ability and put on a good show. I just get I get a lot of people say, "Are you ready to play us? It's going to be a good game. Are you going to take one back to the house?" All sorts of things. Just trying to get a feel of what's going to go on, asking me what positions I'm playing, and all that stuff. Because I was a return man in high school, and a lot of my touchdowns came from there. They always ask me, "You going to return one against UK, the home team?" I don't know yet, but they're all excited to come watch. Not really, because we've got plenty of other corners, and I can get my spot replaced anytime, any day. So I always try to come out and keep working, compete hard. But it's, like I said before, it's a privilege, a blessing in disguise. Honestly, I didn't really expect to come out playing. But I'm going to try hard like I always do at practice, get that film work in, understand the plays, understand the schemes, talk to the older guys, get advice, all that stuff. Try to stay ahead of the game so I can maintain my spot and keep playing.
Well, first of all, after the game, I would tell them good job. During the game, I'm telling them hold on to the ball. That's a mistake that three of us made. And just got to make sure you hang on to it so we can get this W. Oh, definitely. I feel like we help each other out a lot. We encourage each other a lot. We feed off of each other in the film room a lot more than what we have in the past. And yeah, we're definitely more of a family type of unit. Yeah, vice versa too. If I see something that they mess up on, I'll let them know, and they do the same for me. If they see something that I could have done better on the play, they let me know. Like I said, we feed off of each other. We help each other out.